So there's a question now. xDS v2 is frozen. Is Istio going to migrate to v3? Yes, when it's ready. Right. So one of the kind of interesting things to keep in mind here with all of the Envoy API design is that the group that drives most of that is out of Google. Harvey, in particular, is the primary lead for Envoy APIs, unless that has changed. Shriram can keep me honest. And he works in very close coordination with the Istio team, right? So I was when I was in Google on the pilot group, I had weekly meetings with Harvey where we discussed the incoming changes to the Envoy APIs to make sure that we were kept up to date with them, that they were moving in the right direction for us being Istio. That Istio was aware and could make changes to the Envoy needed. Right. So that is a regular flow of communication between the two organizations, between the set of Envoy contributors and maintainers and the Istio crew as well. So the answer is that yes, we will migrate to v3 once it's actually been implemented in Envoy and is ready to be used. Anything to add there, Shriram?
So yes, I mean, so the v3 is actually fully done in Envoy. And we are, I think by 1.6, we should have v3 support in Istio. And it's a very straightforward migration, and it's going to be there in by the May release of 1.6. xDS v3 support will be there.